Welcome. Today I will show you how to put your HP ProBook 450G2 on a lock screen. So to open up a lock screen on your PC, just press the Start button, then select your account and select Lock. If you're okay with this option, you can just go ahead and use it, but if you want to do it in a quicker way, you can as well use a shortcut of Windows and L buttons. So just press Windows and L buttons at the same time, and this will put your device on a lock screen. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.